Let's talk about hamburgers. Let's talk about how we make hamburgers at home and compare that to how big fast food restaurants make hamburgers. For the most part, the hamburgers I would make at home will look really similar to those that I could buy at a fast food chain. Both would have buns, patties, and all my favorite fixings. But while it might take me an hour or two to prepare 8 to 10 burgers for my friends, a fast food restaurant serves thousands of these burgers to customers each day. When scientists come up with new medical treatments in the laboratory, they're much like me or you making burgers at home. We're not really worried about huge amounts of medicine being made. They're mainly interested in finding new and effective cures. Now, let's say I have an awesome burger recipe that is so good that I'm ready to open up a restaurant and sell billions of burgers. Now I would need to come up with a way to cook those burgers much faster. And I'll need to make sure that the quality of every single burger is up to my standard, and I would need to keep the price point low enough that customers would be willing to buy. That's the same challenge that scientists face with medicines. The more we make of something and the faster we make it, the harder it becomes to keep track of the quality. How do scientists make more of something, also known as scale up, while also making sure that the quality stays at the highest standard for every single product? I know some folks at our company who can give a much better answer. As a matter of fact, they have a delicious demonstration to show you how scientists are thinking about this problem.